Today, working on a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. This one has a 2.0 non-turbo engine, and we did the tune-up on the vehicle. It had a misfire in cylinder number 1, and we noticed that while it was running, it had a really weird vibration. I don't know if it's going to pick it up on video, but let's see if it will. And I'm putting pressure on this little stud right here. Let's see, does everything shake? I mean, kind of hard to get it on video, but maybe you can hear it. But yeah, that motor mount is bad. So this one should be pretty straightforward to replace. We have one bolt there. You can actually see it kind of wiggling a little bit. Let's see if we can just give it a gentle rock. Yeah, you kind of see the motor moving there. So yeah, the vibration does go through the body, and you can hear it pretty badly and feel it when you're going between gears.